everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. So this is the last video that I'm filming today. On today's video that I'm posting this about, it's going to be about this laptop here. This is the Acer Nitro 17, and then it's got a bunch of numbers. Let's see if I've got that here. AN17-41-R7G3. So again, it is an Acer Nitro 17 with that specific model number. And it basically comes down to that it has 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM in it. It's got an AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS CPU, so it is the new 7000 series. It has an 8 gigabyte RTX 4060 laptop graphics card, a 90 watt hour battery, and it has a 17.3 inch QHD, which is 2K or 1440p screen built in. And so we're going to take a look and see what we have with it. It does have a 1 terabyte NVMe in it, but we're going to upgrade that. You've seen my videos, I'm sure, about how to do that process, not on this specific laptop, but in general. So let's take a look and do our unboxing here. It is a heavy beast. It is not for the weaker people to do. It looks like it includes a cover, so that is cool. And then the laptop itself is inside of a Acer Nitro box. And so it comes sealed both in the main box and in this box. So I do like that. There we go. And then we pull these tab thingies out. And like I said, this thing is heavy. If I remember correctly, it's like 6.5 pounds by itself. So let's take a look and see if we can get it out of the box. So this should be our power brick. Yep. So power cable, huge power brick. This thing weighs easily a kilogram or 2.5 pounds minimum. I'd say possibly even closer to 3 or 4 pounds. So somewhere around 1.5 to 2 kilograms. So it is a rather beefy power brick. And this, like I said, is just a cover for it to carry it in. It's nothing extravagant, nothing special, nothing to write home about. We do have warranty type information here and some sort of envelope. And this is Team Evolve Battle, so some stickers. And it looks like some more warranty type information. So this is the got a question about your new Acer device, ask us. This is the setup guide, and this is the model and SKU number for things that you might need that for. So there's that information. Okay, so it looks like these pull out. I'm not sure which side is up, so. And again, this is not a review video. This is a unboxing to show you what you get in the package. I will see about doing a video on performance later after I've had some time to use it for a little bit. Like I said, it is a 17.3 inch screen, so it is on the larger side. It's larger than the normal 15.6 inch. It does have some design work on the lid here. It says Acer Nitro, has the Nitro logo. On the bottom you've got some ventilation, you've got rubber feet of course. You've got the model number AN17-41-R7G3, and that it is an Acer Nitro 17. On the rear, like with the ROG Strix, you've got two USB Type-Cs, an HDMI, and the power connection, which is in a different order, basically reversed from the Strix. When you're looking at the laptop, on the left side, you have a micro SD card reader, a USB Type-A, an Ethernet. It's one of those half ones with a flexible piece to it. And then you've got headphone jack for microphone and headphone. On the right-hand side, when you're looking at the screen, you've got two USB Type-A's, and then it looks like the charger lights. So, power light, things like that. Now when you open it up, it has a 165 Hertz 2K or 1440p screen built in. It does have microphone and camera built in. The camera is 720p, it's not 1080p, so there's a little bit downside there. You've got a little bit of space between the monitor, otherwise the bezels are pretty small. It is a Ryzen 7 7840HS CPU with an RTX 4060 8GB graphics card. You've got your touchpad, you've got your keypad, you've got the power button over here along with the 10 key, and then it's got little stickers about different features, you know, NVIDIA advanced options, liquid metal thermal grease, so it's liquid metal on this one as well, turbo up to max graphics power. You've got the killer E2600 Wi-Fi and Ethernet package. It is Wi-Fi 6E, and then it's got USB Type 4 for the USB-C connections and HDMI 2.1 on the HDMI connection. It is a G-Sync compatible or capable screen. Like I said, 1440p or 2K, 165 Hertz with a 3 millisecond refresh rate, which is great on a laptop. It does have the Nitro logo down here. The keyboard is RGB. If I remember correctly, it's one of those 4-panel RGBs. There's no other RGB on this laptop though, so do keep that in mind. And there's no privacy cover to the webcam that's built in, so it's kind of disappointing. I've kind of gotten used to that with other models like HP's and Lenovo's, but overall I think that the laptop is going to be quite powerful. It is going to be a battery guzzler on battery. From what I understand, they say expect an hour to an hour and a half on battery when gaming, and then 3 to 5 hours on things like browsing the internet and doing videos and things like that. The main purpose that I got for this was for mobile editing, so that I can take it with me and edit on the go. Previously I've had a couple of different models. One was a Predator Helios 300 that I used for about 2 years, and it did great. And then I upgraded to an MSI GF63 or something like that, and that one just mysteriously died. No reasoning behind it, it just died. So I don't often recommend MSI laptops. They just seem to kill over and die. This one I'm hoping holds up a little bit better, and it does have 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM with it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and swap it with 32 gig kit from another laptop and hopefully get that going at 32 gigs for my video editing. I do not know if the screws are captive or not, but you've got 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 screws. So there are 11 screws on this model that we'll have to take out to do that upgrade. I'm also going to be upgrading the 1 terabyte NVMe to be 2 terabytes of NVMe, and then putting the 1 terabyte as a backup drive. So yeah, some upgrades in store for this unit. At the very least, I'll be doing the upgrades on that, but I will definitely be doing an update video to let you all know how this thing performs at video editing and at least some light gaming. I'm not sure how heavy I'm going to be into the gaming on it, but we'll see. So I do hope this video helps you decide if this is the right laptop for you. If it does, make sure you hit the like button down below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button that should be in this general area here, and that way you can keep up to date on our new videos and our community section. And as always, if you have any questions about myself, the product, or the channel, make sure you leave those down below in the comments section. So thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.